You know that feeling, right? That deep sigh of relief when you finally get away? But what if that feeling is, well, more than just a quick escape? Today we're diving into the idea that travel isn't just a break, it's actually a form of therapy. So let's explore how a journey can create a kind of peace you can bring right back home with you.
So that really gets to the heart of it. Is a vacation just pressing the pause button on your life, or is it something way deeper? The idea here is that unlike those little moments of calm we try to find at home, travel can actually leave a permanent positive mark on our well-being. To get how that works, we've got to look at the healing mechanisms in play. I mean, what's really happening in our minds and bodies when we step out of our daily routine? How do we go from feeling totally frazzled to feeling soothed? Let's get into it. Well, it all starts with one simple thing: distance. Just think about your day-to-day environment. It's often full of stress, right? Constant triggers, rigid schedules, just a ton of noise. Travel literally removes you from that. It swaps out the noise for calm and the routine for something new. And that separation, it isn't just about miles on a map, it's psychological. It creates the space we need to even begin to heal.
And you know what? Our bodies feel it almost instantly. When we travel, we tend to move more naturally. Maybe we're walking through a new city or just swimming in the ocean. We're breathing in more fresh air, getting more natural light, and all of that helps regulate our sleep. It's a really simple, back-to-basics way our bodies start to reset.
But it's not just physical. Travel gives us this huge emotional reset too. Think about those moments of awe, standing in front of something huge and beautiful like a mountain or an ancient building. It just has a way of making our own problems feel smaller. Even simple things like a kind word from a stranger can soothe our frayed nerves and remind us we're all connected. Travel also kind of forces us to be mindful, but in a totally natural way. When you're tasting new food or just watching a sunset in a new place, you're not thinking about your to-do list. You're just there. And that's so important because it breaks those endless negative thought loops of stress and burnout that keep us feeling stuck. It opens up a little headspace to think about the bigger picture. Now, there's one environment that seems to be especially powerful for this kind of thing: the sea. There's a deep, almost primal reason so many of us feel pulled to the coast when we need to recharge. It's a full-on sensory experience, isn't it? The sheer size of the ocean just helps put our own worries into perspective. That constant, rhythmic sound of the waves can actually help steady our own heartbeat. And the sea air, it just feels cleaner, more vitalizing. It's a powerful combo that works on so many levels. So to make this feel a bit more real, the source material actually gives us a specific example of a place where this healing really comes alive. We're gonna head over to the British seaside. Welcome to Margate. This is a town that has that perfect mix of the sea's natural calming effect, plus a really cool history, and this buzzing, creative energy. It's this unique blend that makes it such an amazing spot for recovery, a place where you can find peace on the beach, but also feel inspired by the town itself. And here's a really key point: where you stay matters. It can either help the healing process or get in the way. For example, when a hotel provides specific cultural care, it makes guests feel safe and truly seen. When the rooms and spaces are designed to be calm, it just naturally encourages you to rest. And when the service is genuinely warm and welcoming, a simple vacation gets elevated into something truly restorative. Okay, so here's the absolute best part. The benefits of this kind of travel don't just vanish the second you unpack. The real goal is to bring that sense of calm and peace back with you into your everyday life. So here's how that works. First, your trip gives you these powerful restorative moments. Then, those experiences create really strong memories, like a mental snapshot. And finally, and this is the magic trick, you can learn to tap into that feeling whenever you want. A photo on your desk, a smell that reminds you of the beach, even a song you listen to. They can all act as little triggers, bringing back that wave of calm right when you need it most. So that really leaves us with one final thought. Travel offers this path to healing that's profound, it's lasting, and it's something we can all do. The only question is, where will your healing journey take you?